The 10-10-10 rule is a decision-making framework introduced in Decisive, How to Make Better Choices in Life and Work by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. When faced with a decision, individuals are encouraged to consider how they will feel about it in the immediate short term, specifically 10 minutes after making the decision. This time frame focuses on the immediate emotional impact and gut reaction to the decision. Next, individuals are prompted to consider how they will feel about the decision 10 months from now. This time frame encourages individuals to think about the medium-term consequences and whether the decision will still be relevant or significant in the relatively near future. Finally, individuals are asked to consider how they will feel about the decision 10 years down the line. This long-term perspective encourages individuals to think about the potential lasting impact and whether the decision aligns with their long-term goals, values, and aspirations. By considering the decision from these three different time perspectives, individuals can gain a more holistic understanding of its implications and consequences. This approach helps individuals avoid making impulsive decisions based solely on short-term gratification and encourages them to prioritize choices that are consistent with their long-term well-being and objectives. By prompting individuals to consider how they will feel about a decision in 10 minutes, the rule encourages them to acknowledge and manage immediate emotional reactions. This short-term perspective helps individuals avoid making impulsive decisions driven solely by fleeting emotions such as fear, excitement, or anxiety. The 10-10-10 rule prompts individuals to consider the decision's consequences over different time horizons, which can help counteract cognitive biases that distort judgment. For example, individuals may be prone to present bias, where they disproportionately weigh short-term benefits or costs over long-term considerations. By explicitly considering the decision's impact in the medium and long term, individuals can mitigate the influence of present bias and make more balanced decisions. Additionally, the rule encourages individuals to adopt a temporal perspective by considering the decision's implications over varying time frames. This broader outlook can help individuals overcome myopic thinking and consider the decision's significance beyond immediate concerns. By focusing on the decision's long-term consequences, individuals are more likely to prioritize choices that align with their overarching goals and values. Sarah is considering whether to accept a job offer that requires her to relocate to a new city. Sarah imagines how she will feel 10 minutes after making the decision to accept the job offer. She considers her immediate emotions, such as excitement about the new opportunity and nervousness about the challenges of relocating. Sarah then considers how she will feel 10 months after relocating for the job. She thinks about the adjustments she will have made to her new environment, the relationships she will have formed, and the progress she will have made in her career. She weighs these factors against any potential difficulties or sacrifices she may have encountered. Finally, Sarah reflects on how she will feel about her decision 10 years into the future. She considers whether the job opportunity aligns with her long-term career goals and aspirations, whether the relocation has enriched her personal and professional life, and whether she has any regrets about her choice. By applying the October 10-10 rule, Sarah gains a comprehensive perspective on the decision to accept the job offer, considering its immediate, medium-term, and long-term implications.